Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So today I am gonna tell about main verb and meaning and past form and past participle form. So main verb means B1, meaning means Bengali meaning, past form means B2, past participle form means B3. So you can do practice. Let's go start. Do means kora, did. Past form, past participle form done. So you can use I do, আমি করি, I did, আমি করছিলাম, I have done, আমি করেছি, like this. Okay, so give Bengali meaning দেওয়া, give means দেওয়া, give past form given, given past participle form. So say meaning বলা, say mean বলা, past form said, past form said, past participle form said, both are correct. Past participle form said, past form said. Okay, learn, learn শেখা, learn শেখা, your pronunciation correct. After that you will speak. Okay, learn শেখা, past form learned, learned, past participle form learned. Okay, let's go next page. So you will practice every day, you follow my rules. Okay, donate দান করা, pronunciation correct. After that you will success. Okay, donate দান করা, past form donate, donate, past participle form donate, donate, both are same. create তৈরি করা, create তৈরি করা, past form create, past participle form create. Okay, beat প্রহার করা, beat প্রহার করা, past form beat, beat, past participle form beaten, past participle form beaten. So take নেওয়া, take means নেওয়া, past form took, past form took, past participle form taken, past participle form taken. So go means যাওয়া, go means যাওয়া, past form went, past form went means B2 went, past participle form gone, past participle form gone. So like this, I go আমি যাই, I went আমি গিয়েছি, I go আমি যাই, I went আমি গিয়েছি, I have gone আমি গিয়েছিলাম, I have gone আমি গিয়েছি. Okay, so you will practice every day. After that you will success. So you follow my rules. Okay, goodbye, assalamu alaikum. Please subscribe my channel.